Is your Windows computer running low on storage? In this guide, I'll walk you through a few simple ways to clear leftover data and reclaim some disk space. Let's jump right in. Start by holding the Windows key and pressing R. This brings up the Run window. Enter temp and press Enter. File Explorer will display a folder containing files created by Windows and different programs. Use Ctrl+A to highlight everything, then right-click and select Delete. Some items may still be required by applications running on your computer. If Windows refuses to remove them, choose the option to apply the same action to all items, then press Skip. Now, open the Run window again with Windows key plus R. Enter %temp% and press Enter. In other words, place a percentage symbol before and after the word temp. This location stores temporary data associated with your current user account. Highlight everything with Ctrl+A, right-click, and select Delete. Leave any files that Windows reports as being in use. Next, open the Run window one more time. Enter CleanMGR and press Enter to launch Disk Cleanup. Choose the drive where Windows is installed, normally the C drive, and select OK. Allow the utility a moment to scan the drive and display the available categories. Go through the list and mark the items you're comfortable removing. Don't select everything without checking it first. For example, emptying the recycle bin permanently removes anything stored there. Deleting a previous Windows installation can also take away your option to roll back after an upgrade. After reviewing your choices, select OK, then confirm by clicking Delete Files. Windows will now remove the selected data and recover the available storage space. That's how you clean up temporary files on a Windows computer without installing an additional program. If you enjoyed this guide, leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more useful Windows tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.